Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to connect Squarespace domain to Wix. So first, you just have to simply log in or sign up here on Wix. It needs your email address, or you can connect to your Google account in order for you to create one. So this is your dashboard, and in order for you to look for it connect to domain, you have to click this one and it will take you directly to this area or section where you can add your domain. As you can see, what domain do you want to connect to my site? Then all you have to do is to paste that domain right here. You could also create your own name, and then you have to add .com, .online, or shop, and you will see if this one is available. Now go to your Squarespace and then create your design right here. You have to create something like your project. You can choose from their templates if you don't know how to create one. So if you're starting, you need to go to the steps like what type of website are you going to build. So you can also browse from templates, or you can ask from their AI if you want. So this is what it looks like. This is a sample template for your website. Let's just say this is your website, and all you have to do is to edit it here. You can add login, other options like add to cart, and so on. So you can just browse a template here. Now if you want to see your domain, you just have to click your profile and you see these options. So click domains, and here it is. So you have two options here. You can transfer a domain or get a domain. So if you want to transfer a domain, you can click this one and then follow some instruction. But if you don't have a domain, so of course you need to get a domain in order for you to copy and paste it there on your Wix. So you can search for your domain name here if you want to get one. For example, if you're looking for vintage or anything related to vintage, then you can find your domain right here. So these are examples of domain that you can use. So per domain right here, if you want to add this to your cart, you will see the price on the right side. So if you think that you like the name or this name of domain right here, all you have to do is to get this. So what you're going to do is you have to click this add to cart option on the right side and then proceed with the checkout. You could also click load more to see more of the domain or possible or available domain right here. So for example, if you get this domain, for example, if you get this one, then all you have to do is to copy this. Suppose that you have this already on your Squarespace, or you purchased this domain already. Now go to your Wix and then paste it right here. You can also add www dot and then the name of the domain, and then to know if it's available, tap let's go, and you will see if this one is available or not. So as you can see, this one is available, and if you like this domain, then all you have to do is to get it or purchase this one. So if I tap this get it right here, it will take me directly to this. So get this domain now. So for example, I just want to purchase this domain only. I don't want to upgrade my plan on Wix. So as you can see, this is the result, the name of your domain. This one will be soon yours, but you need to pay for the amount. So for example, we have here, or they offer 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. Everything is up to you. You could also save this kind of percent if you choose 2 years. Proceed with the checkout. So for the contact info, they need your first name, last name, your number, your email address, your country, your city, and so on. So after that, you have to make sure that if you want to pay via PayPal, make sure that you have sufficient balance on your PayPal. Or if you want to pay via credit card, make sure, or debit card, make sure that you have enough balance also, or your card is working. So you just have to follow the steps right here, this payment procedure, then this domain will be yours as soon as you purchase this. So going back, below the section, connect your domain, you will see there .com, .org, .tech. So if you want to try from any of this below, you will see also different price. Okay, so for example, if you prefer this .com, .org, or the tech, you can try and you can see if this one is available too. So basically, it's the same thing. If you want to get this domain, then you need to proceed to the checkout and then purchase it. And as you can see, it's available. So if you want to get it, same procedure. Okay, you need to get it, you need to tap get it, and then you need to purchase and pay. However, there is this also that if you want to upgrade your plan here on Wix, you can get a domain for 1 year. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. So if you upgrade your plan from any of this, for example, if you want to upgrade to business, if you want to upgrade to business elite, core to light, you can see that each of this plan right here has this free domain for 1 year. And it's up to you if you want to continue with this domain or not. This is the advantage of this. Aside from having access or getting access from their features, you can also use this free one domain for 1 year to your Wix. So if you don't feel like you want to use this domain anymore, then you don't need to proceed, or you don't need to upgrade or continue with your plan or with this domain. Okay, so this is another way on how to get domain by upgrading your plan here on your Wix. So if you want a plan, if you want to upgrade your plan, just click and then proceed with the payment structure, payment method. As you can see, you can pay via PayPal. You need to connect your email address or PayPal account, or you can also pay using your credit card. So just enter your card name here, your credit card information, and so on. And then after that, proceed. Most of the countries have different way of payment methods, so it depends on your location, also on your region, if they accept PayPal or if they accept credit card, or there is other payment method. Now going to FAQs, then if you have any questions with your domain, then all you have to do is to scroll down here. There are this frequently asked questions. For example, this one right here: what type of domain can I connect? Also a question like, why do I need a premium plan to connect a domain? So the answers are here. Can I connect my email address too? And can I connect a subdomain to my site? The answer is yes. Now, how do I move a domain between sites in my account? There's also the answer right here. And also, can I connect a domain by pointing? And how long until my site works since I've connected a domain? So you can see all the answers right here in the frequently asked question. Okay, so basically that's it. All you have to do again is to create a Wix account and then Squarespace account and then connect a domain. If you have the domain already, just paste it right here. If you don't have yet, then you need to purchase one and then paste it right here. So basically, that's how easy it is to connect Squarespace domain to Wix. You just have to copy your domain and paste it here. So make sure that your domain also is working, and don't worry if you get the domain not here on your Wix, because Wix will still accept that one. Okay, so I really hope that this video somehow helped you. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.